It's coming into summertime here in Australia, and I wanted to make something that's very refreshing, a little bit bitter, but wine-based. So keep watching and let's talk drinks. Okay, bring on the warm weather here in Australia. I know for all my friends that are on the other parts of the world, you're coming into winter. It has been super wet in Australia. No warm weather yet, and we're nearly in December. So today I'm going to make a cocktail, and it is called the Ruby Rosé Spritz, and it's a wine-based cocktail, so it's something a little bit different with an aperitif in there, and it's really easy to make. So this is a built cocktail. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add my ice to the glass. Some people say don't add the ice first. I like adding it straight away, okay? And the first ingredients that I'm going to use is Papelee. It is a French aperitif. It's a ruby red grapefruit aperitif. So kind of think Campari, Aperol, that family, but doesn't taste anything like Campari. And these 30 mils or 1 ounce. And I love the beautiful, vibrant color there. So this is a cocktail that I think will look appealing to your friends at home if you're making cocktails, or even just to customers. You know, it's one of those things that as it's getting taken out to the table, people are going to look at it and say, oh, what's that? I really want to try one. So the second ingredient that I'm going to use is a rosé. I'm going to use our house wine, rosé wine here at the 18th Amendment Bar. It is called Maison Française. It's not a sweet, it's a drier style rosé. And I think for me it's strawberries and cream, so I think it's going to work really well in this cocktail. 90 mils or 3 ounces. Next up, we're just going to give it a little bit of a spritz, top it up with some soda water. We have our own carbonation rigs at all the bars that I have, so what we'll do is we'll pour the water into there and carbonate every time that we use it. It's just so much easier. It's great for carbonated cocktails too. So you hear that. So always our soda water, we're doing about 30 mils or 1 ounce, is going to be carbonated fresh. What I do is I'll carbonate it before and after. All right, I'm going to give that a little bit of a stir with my Gaz Regan finger stirrer. And the garnish for this one is just a wedge of ruby red grapefruit. How good does that look? Look at that color, beautiful. The Ruby Rosé Spritz. Cheers. Oh, yum. Okay. That's a winner right there. I picked up this recipe in the Australian Bartender magazine. If you haven't read that, for you Australian bartenders and enthusiasts here in Australia, check it out. I love that it's predominantly that the rosé flavours coming through, but that bitterness from the Papelee, it's sort of balancing out really, really nicely. The spritz from the soda just has a little bit of sort of that zingy carbonation to the drink as well. Yum. Refreshing, delicious. You could drink this in wintertime as well. So if you're looking at something that for a party at home and you don't want to get into the stirred down drinks, you want something light, this will be perfect before dinner. The aperitif will get your stomach juices happening, prepare you for a meal. This is the perfect cocktail. If you've got your own carbonation rig or a soda stream rig at home, what I would do with this cocktail is I would make it, put it into a bottle similar to this, and then carbonate the whole lot. And I think that would work really well because I would love to see what the rosé would taste like carbonated. It would just be a really, really nice spritz as well. So depending on how you want to go and how much time and effort that you want to get into it, but that's a really good drink. So guys, please like, subscribe. I keep saying it, we're trying to help me build my YouTube channel. It's free, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.